Welcome. In front of me I have Alcatel U5 HDD, and today I will show you how we can change notification bar icons. So at the first we have to open notification bar and then click on the edit button. So right now if you want to change position of these icons, you have to click and hold and then move it for the position that you want to get it, right? So for example, I will take the location for the upper section of the list and I will remove this hotspot icon and I will put it right here. Next, if you want to add additional icons, for example, you would like to go for the data saver, click hold and then drag it to the position that you want to get it. And after those changes, you can simply click on this arrow here, and as you can see, it was changed, right? So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!